As 2025 comes to an end, leaders, health officials, and public figures have praised Uganda's progress in the fight against HIV and AIDS, while urging citizens to remain alert, especially during the festive season. According to the latest national data, Uganda has strong progress. About 94% of the people living with HIV have tested and know their status. More than 1.3 million Ugandans are currently enrolled on life-saving antiretroviral therapy. This treatment has helped people living with HIV live near normal lives, remain productive in their communities, and reduce visible signs of AIDS.
It has helped also reduce stigma and discrimination because they are literally, they do not have signs and symptoms of AIDS. We've also registered reduced stigma and discrimination within the communities. Our communities have embraced love, acceptance, and support.
However, leaders want that progress should not be treated as complacency. The festive season often comes with celebrations, travel, and social gatherings, which can increase HIV risk. Ugandans were reminded that HIV does not take a holiday.
But today we come here that even as we celebrate this progress, we shouldn't relax. We should stay vigilant. We should be, especially during the festive season. Holidays always bring joy, they bring gatherings, but sometimes they may also bring risks. And that's why we need to remain alert.
Those who have not tested were encouraged to do so. People were also urged to avoid risky behavior, test with their partners, use condoms consistently and correctly, and avoid alcohol and substance abuse, which can cloud judgment. Communities were encouraged to look out for one another by checking on friends, families, and neighbors. Parents and guardians were also advised to support young people by listening to them and creating safe spaces for open discussion about growing up, relationships, and health. Young people were encouraged to speak openly with trusted adults who have life experience and can offer guidance.
Support as they shape character, as they shape values and identity and goals and life skills. So reduce the time that children spend on screens, both television and social media. Instead, I urge you, engage those children in sports, in art, in crafts, in house chores, in cooking, in gardening, and other responsible activities.
Renowned musician Bebe Cool, who attended as a special guest, praised the government's efforts in reducing HIV-related deaths and stigma compared to the early years of the epidemic. He revealed that HIV has personally affected his family, having lost both an older sister and brother to the disease.
Two of who also left two young men. One, of course, passed away during COVID, and another one is still with me. So that is on the personal close. But along the way, still in my music, I met different friends, different people, fans who directly have suffered.
He emphasized the role of artists and public figures in using their platforms to educate and positively influence communities.
So I don't feel shy to always divert from my usual works of music, and I come straight and send these messages. Because if the message was not sent to me when I was younger, you never know, I would have had HIV and been, fighting it.
He called on young people to take prevention seriously, stressing abstinence, faithfulness, and correct condom use. He also praised efforts to make condoms freely available in public places. Lydia, Feli Akulu, NTV Tonight.